Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted comments on Facebook. Unfortunately, there's no built-in feature on Facebook that allows you to recover deleted comments. Once a comment is deleted, it is permanently removed from Facebook service. However, there are a few things you can try if you want to recover a deleted comment. First, you can simply check your email notifications. If you have an email notifications enabled for Facebook comments, you might be able to find the content of the deleted comment in your email box as well. Or you could simply check the activity log. What you have to do is go to the Facebook. After that, on the top right corner there's a profile icon. Select that, scroll all the way to the bottom and select the settings option. Over here, what you have to do is scroll a bit down until you find your activity. Under your activity there's an activity log. Select the activity log, and if you are an admin of a Facebook page, you can simply check the page's activity log to see if the deleted comment is listed there. And this is it. Or if you could not find it, you can simply ask the commenter to repost. If the deleted comment was made by someone else, you can ask them to repost the comment. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.